They say June is the month of weddings. But the truth is, love can happen anytime the heart is ready. This Saturday on Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation, we're talking about the journey to I Do, with the theme, a wedding in June, or anytime love calls. So tell us, what was your wedding like? What are some weddings you've attended that left a lasting impression? And if you're not married yet, or know someone still waiting, what keeps the hope alive for that special day? Some couples choose to go big to celebrate tradition, honor family, or just live out the fairy tale. Others prefer something small and sweet, focused on love, not the limelight. No matter the size or season, every love story is unique. Let's share, reflect, and celebrate the beauty of commitment. Join us this Saturday at 10 a.m. on Voices with Lady D, live on YouTube. Satideh Mawnin Runnings, sweet, simple, soulful.